Ever wondered how AI solves problems that mix text and images, like decoding a math puzzle with a diagram or unraveling a logic riddle from a photo? That's where multimodal reasoning kicks in. And today we're diving into a breakthrough that's reshaping how AI learns to truly understand visuals. Let's start with the basics. Researchers tested two methods for teaching AI to reason across text and images: GRPO and PAPO. Think of them as different study strategies. GRPO is the traditional approach, while PAPO is a newer technique designed to prioritize visual clues. But how do they stack up? The team put them to the test on 8 diverse challenges. Think geometry problems with diagrams, logic puzzles, and counting tasks. They measured accuracy by checking if the AI's answers matched the correct ones exactly. The results: PAPO consistently outperformed GRPO, especially when visuals were critical. Here's the kicker: on tasks where images were essential, like interpreting a complex diagram or spotting patterns in a photo, PAPO improved by up to 8%. For example, in a math problem requiring visual analysis, PAPO's answers were nearly 6% better than GRPO's. Why? Because PAPO was trained to focus on visual details, much like how a human might study a diagram to solve a problem. But how did they make PAPO better? A key innovation was tweaking a parameter called prcp weighting. Imagine it as a focus knob: too little, and the AI ignores visuals; too much, and it gets confused. The sweet spot? A value of 0.02, which balanced learning without overwhelming the model. Another surprise: randomly masking parts of images, like covering up sections of a photo, worked better than more intelligent masking strategies. It's counterintuitive, but by forcing the AI to guess without full visual info, it learned to rely on context and logic, just like humans do when we're missing part of a picture. What does this mean for AI? These findings show that teaching models to truly understand visuals, rather than just guessing, leads to smarter, more reliable results. Whether it's analyzing medical scans, interpreting satellite data, or even helping with homework, this progress brings us closer to AI that thinks and reasons like humans. So next time you see an AI solving a complex problem, remember, it's not just memorizing answers. It's learning to see, analyze, and reason, and that's the future of AI. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into the research, check the links below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more mind-blowing AI insights. See you next time.